Hi guys, this is Venkat. Welcome back to our channel Travel with 26 Letters. In this exclusive video, I am going to present you about verb conjugation. By the way, what is verb? Verb is nothing but action word. What are the action we do? In English, we have to express in the form of verb. There is no verb, there is no English. So, verb has very important value in English. It has prominent importance in English. Every verb has four forms. What are they? How can they be used in English? Such kind of things we are going to know in this exclusive video. What are you waiting for? Let's get started the video lesson. Friends, verb. Every verb has four forms like this. Present, past, past participle and present participle. For our convenience, we can say like this. V1, V2, V3 and ing form. Every verb in English has the following four forms. Example, we take go. Go, went, gone, going. That means the verb go has following three forms. The next one, open. Opened, opened, opening. First we are going to know what are the use of present form. Generally, it is called base form or bare form because it is the base for all kinds of forms. Mainly, it is used in simple present tense. How? We are going to learn. I read an English newspaper every day, daily. You know, read here is the V1. In simple present tense, after subject, you have to use this bare form, this present form, like read. You know, generally we use simple present tense for regular actions. Next one, he goes to gym regularly. It is a regular action, that's why you have to say in simple present tense. He goes to gym. Here the verb is go, but we add es. Why? The reason is behind that he is the third person singular. That's why we have to add es, is to the verb. Whenever we have third person singular like he, she, it, any singular, we must add s, es, is depending on the ending of the verb in simple present tense. That is a little bit complicated rule. So about that we are going to know in separate video. She cooks food every Sunday. Not regularly, only Sunday she cooks. Actual verb is cook, but we add s because she is the third person singular. And next one is sun sets in the west. It is a universal fact. Generally, universal truth, scientific facts can be expressed in simple present tense. The actual verb is set, but we add s because sun is the third person singular. Like this, we use the base form or present form in simple present tense. The next use of base form is it can be used in simple future tense. You know, in simple future tense we can use will and shall. After them we have to keep V1. That is base form. Example, I will go to shop tomorrow. Observe, after will we have to keep go. Will go. Tomorrow is the future indication. Generally, the simple future tense can be used for telling the actions which are going to happen future or near future. The next one, he shall bring keys next week. Shall bring. After shall, we need to use bring. It is the base form of the verb. Next one, she shall join class on Monday. Shall join. After shall, we use join. It is the base form of the verb join. Friends, the present form can be used as a to infinitive in the place of subject in a sentence. Let me explain. To help him would be a pleasure. Really would be a pleasure to help him. In this sentence, to help is the subject. To help or helping. Helping is a gerund. Helpless ing form, it is called gerund. To help is called to infinitive. In this way, you can use to infinitive in the place of subject in a sentence generally. To smoke here is strictly banned. That means smoking is not permitted here. You should not smoke here. To smoke. In place of to smoke, you can use smoking. It is a gerund. To smoke is infinitive. To write an exam in this packed room is difficult. Isn't it? Really difficult. Packed room means so many people are gathered at one place. So, to write an exam, to write here is the subject. To write is a infinitive. 2 plus V1. V1 means base form. The next use of present form, it can be used as an adjective in a sentence. Like this. The shop is open. Here, open is an adjective. If you think of parts of speech. Why? Because how it can be? The shop is open. The shop is in condition of open. So that's why generally adjectives are telling us about the condition, states. In this case, open is an adjective and also it is a bare form. The next example is the door is shut. That means the door is in the condition of shutting. Okay. Friends, now I am going to tell you how to use past form in English. Generally, the past form is nothing but V2. V2 can be used in simple past tense. Like this, let me explain. I opened the box yesterday. Yesterday, the word yesterday itself indicates that the action is over. The action is completed in the past. Generally, for past reactions or complete reactions, we should use simple past tense. In the same way, likewise, in simple past tense, we should always use V2. V2 is nothing but past form of the any verb. I opened the box yesterday. Opened. It is second form. The sentence is also in simple past tense. Okay. He came 10 minutes ago. Ago is indicating that the action is over and also the sentence is in simple past tense. Usually in simple past tense, we use V2. Come, came, coming. Okay. Next one. I watched 2 movies last week. Last Monday. Last Tuesday. Last month. You know, the word last indicates that the action is over. The action is completed some period ago. For such kind of actions, generally we use simple past tense. In simple past tense, casually we use V2. Watched. Watching. So let me explain you how to use past participle in English. Actually, past participle is called as a V3 in simple way. So every verb has 4 forms. You know, in the 4 forms or out of 4 forms, the third form of the verb is called past participle or V3. Example, we can take go. Go, went, gone. Gone is the third form or past participle or V3 of go. So in all perfect tenses, it can be used. It means past participle, present perfect, past perfect and future perfect tenses. It can be used. First one is present perfect. They have left the school. You know, in present perfect tense, we must use has or have depending on the subject. After that, we must keep V3 like this. They have left. Just now. The next one is past perfect. You know, in past perfect, we must use had. After that, V3 like this. He had finished. Generally, the past perfect tense is used along with simple past for expressing 2 actions in the past. Whenever 2 actions happen in the past, for the first completed action, we must use past perfect, and for second completed action, we use simple past like this. Before I reached, he had finished homework. That means the first completed action is he had finished and then I reached that place. Okay. The next one is I will have watched the complete movie tomorrow by this time. It is in future perfect. Generally in future perfect tense, we must use will or shall, after that have, after that watched. That means V3. Watch, watched, watched. Watched is the third form of the watch. So in this way, in all perfect tenses, past participle is used. Friends, in all passive voice sentences, we must use past participle. Past participle is nothing but V3. Mangoes are exported to Singapore by the farmers. By whom? By the farmers. To where? Singapore. The mangoes are exported to. Here, exported is a past participle. Export, exported, exported, exporting. In that, out of 4 forms, the third form has used in passive voice like this. Before V3 in passive voice, generally we have to use be forms and helping verbs. Here are is a be form. It is in plural. The next one, the project work will be completed by next month. It is in future. It is also in passive voice. Will be completed. That means the work will be completed by next month. Okay. Completed is past participle. The next one, she was joined the college by her father. You know one thing here, after join, we should not mention any kind of preposition, generally in. After the word, after some word, and then we have to use in and then a particular year if you want to mention in. Here, she was joined the college by her father. Here, joined is the past participle. Before that, was is a be form. It is in simple past tense. Next one is present participle. Present participle is nothing but ing form, like going, opening, etc. The present participle is used in all continuous tenses like this. Example, she is teaching English now. It is in present continuous tense. That means the action is going on right now. He is teaching. Here, ing form is present participle. Okay. The next one. They have been preparing for examinations for a week. For the last 1 week, they have been preparing for examinations. That means the sentence is in present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is expressing an action started in the past. It is continuing right now and it may be going on in future too. Such kind of actions we must use present perfect continuous tense. In that tense, we must keep have been or has been after that ing form. That is present participle. It is nothing but ing form. The next one. We shall be making arrangements by this time tomorrow. It is in future continuous. Will be making or shall be making. So, making is the present participle here. Friends, the present participle form can be used as the gerund. You know what is the gerund? Gerund is a ing form. It can be used either subject or object in any sentence. Then it called gerund. Example, speaking is silver, silence is gold. Here, speaking is the subject. That means the act of speaking. Is silver, silence is gold. That means silence is the better forever. It is a proverb. So in this way, the ing form, that means present participle form, can be used in the place of subject. That's why it is called a gerund. Got my point? Next one. Walking is the best exercise as far as I know. As far as I know means, according to my knowledge, my guessing, walking is the best exercise. Here, walking can be used as a subject in this sentence. It is basically present participle, that means ing form. The last one is, I like swimming. Here, swimming is the object. In the place of object, we use present participle, that means ing form, swimming. Friends, before winding up this video, a small request for you. If you're really interested in learning English, I will help you. Just you can do is that subscribe my channel, Travel with 26 Letters. Okay? Thank you very much for watching my videos. Keep it up.